Hey folks, welcome back to the probably last episode of this, where we finally finish up these graphs and move on with life. If you remember, it looks like 98 minutes ago, we got these graphs all set up. And here we go. And you can toggle in between them. You can toggle instant death or not. But apparently it crashes. What the hell? There had to be one thing. It would be too easy if it were just instantly working. But we're gonna finish this up, and we're going to make it so that this actually shows different data for each of the different graphs. So we have WPM. If it weren't crashing, we would also have accuracy and combo here. Left for combo. And then crashes for accuracy. It seems like accuracy is the one that has trouble. Interesting. Well, we'll figure out what's wrong with accuracy because it seemed to work before, and then we'll be done with this. So let's go on in. First things first, we're gonna make it so that for each of these data types, we actually use the proper data to put in these data sets. So let's go to graphs render, and we're actually going to, let me think. I think these are public. Oh, let's also, here we go. All right. Back to what we were doing. So I want to say this result mapper, we could put the functionality in here for each of the results, but I think I'm just gonna put some logic in this graphs render thing. So we're gonna go to source graphs render, and we're going to have, let me think. Let's call it dataset filter. Let's call it dataset.rs. All right, and mod dataset and filter. Let's call it filter. Mode and ampersand. And this is going to return the dataset, and we're also going to want the mode right here, and user results. This is going to take user results and mode, and we're going to return back the actual data set that we use. So this is this data set type thing. And it takes, so data sets really are just a vector that doesn't have a magic type. It looks like it's just a vector of tuples. Yeah, datasets. Just a vector of tuples. Vec f64 f64. And we're really just going to want... Oh, so we already have a neat little filter. All we really want is for us to return either a WPM or... Yeah, we don't even need to... No, we'll make a package for it. So this is going to take user result and user results. Okay. And this is going to return an f64. And we're just what we're going to end up doing is replacing this result.wpm with a call to filter. It's actually not going to be filter. Let's call it datasets, relevant data. Sure. Not too hard to please. And what we're going to do with this, we're going to basically just match on mode. and it's going to be accuracy combo WPM. So mode accuracy, and this is going to do, I'll just keep it in the order I had before. WPM, accuracy combo will be the last one. And then this will just return user results.wpm as f64. User results dot accuracy, user results dot combo, highest combo as f64. This doesn't need parens, and it does need to be pub. And then dataset, and we're just going to do dataset relevant data and results. And I think I need to borrow that. Oh, and mode. I actually think I'm gonna, nah, that's good. And mode. Active mode. And now we should be showing the proper data for each of the tabs. If I had to guess, I'd say the reason we're crashing is I don't think it has to do with the actual data in the graph. I think it has to do with the I think it has to do with me just overflowing. But let's see. Or underflowing. Or going out of bounds. Alright, WPM. Accuracy. Accuracy is pretty high. Maybe that shouldn't be... Oh, I can't even trigger it anymore. Yeah. I guess that's it. Maybe it was the data. Interesting. If that works, then that's like basically it. That'd be pretty neat. Wow. WPM. I suppose. Oh, accuracy doesn't have a title here. That's interesting. Poor accuracy, the bastard child. I'm gonna make it so accuracy goes from 50 to 100. I think that would be... No, 80 to 100. I think that would be the best use of our time. So, styles, accuracy goes from 80 and 80, 90, 40 plus, and that's 100. Let's just run it again, see how it looks. Oh, it still doesn't have... And still doesn't have, I feel like that might even be too high. I wonder if it's probably possible to get below that. I think I'm just decent at typing. I've been doing it for a while. Let's just, one sec. Yeah, so we'll keep it from 80 to 100. I think that's pretty reasonable. Maybe even 85, but that's probably good. No. We'll keep it at 80, just in case. Okay. We got our graph. What else do we want? This is like basically what I was looking for. Oh, accuracy. Yeah, the title's cut off by how high it goes. That's the only problem. I think I'm gonna replace user results with that string too. This guy. Because that doesn't seem to disappear. And we'll do. Oh, what the hell did I just do? Okay. And we'll do where graph title styles graph title and mode format df and then over time. And now it's okay if the axes get cut off. Alright. .pm over time, accuracy over time, combo over time. Yeah, really quite good. So I think we're basically feature complete now. I think I'm just gonna quickly zip through, maybe add some tests where we need them. And then I think we're gonna call it a day. Let me just change up the music. All right. Where do we have logic that we want tests? Now that we're basically all set. So we're all in graphs. That's where all of our changes were. Actually, let's just commit real quick. Full functionality with basic graphs. Okay. Vim source graphs. I think this is where we're probably going to want the tests. Because these functions are a little, they're not really hairy per se, but like they aren't exactly something you could just grok instantly. All right. So what's the first thing we want to test? Really, what we're going to want to do is just make a vector of user results. And then once we do that, just make sure we get back as expected. Yeah, let's just... Yeah, we need the user results either way. Let's just do the full test. Days back set correctly. Okay, let's make some user results. Let user results equals let's use a vec. All right, so these have to be ordered. They're going to be ordered by timestamp. So let's just grab a couple timestamps. Oh, I realize I'm a little too low here. Let's make you big. Yes, you are blessed on this day, but they're not all like big streams. They're just kind of like a thing. Yeah. All right. Back to where we were going. Let's make some user results. And then, oh, these are going to be raw user results. Raw. And we're just going to do, I don't know, let's just do 3. Because, like, I don't feel like doing a lot of these. None of these really matter except that, it's going to be a pain to set these up. None of these fields really matter. So, except for the time. So WPM, accuracy, 100, highest combo. I wonder why it's yelling at me. 100 when play the sex. All right, here's where the field actually matters. So let's get some times. Next time, sure. All right, let's do 3 days apart. 2020. What's today's date? The 3rd. 5, 3, and at 0. I think that's in milliseconds. Oh no, that's in seconds. Okay. Let's do 2 more of these guys. And this is going to be tomorrow. Does it not keep the data in this input thing? Are you kidding me? Man, I am exhausted. I gotta type again. 5, 4. And then 2020, 5, 5. Okay, these are exactly 3 days apart, all of them. And then the 3 days we should expect back. So we should expect, we're going to get back, let's just do this in sudo, 0, 2, 1. Oh, it's going to be like, that should be a nice even 0, 2, 1. I don't think it's going to be that even, because it is an F64. But let's just, you know, let's just play with numbers here. Let's just see. So, let us do let user, let's make you raw results, right? Let user results equals as user results, and then raw user results. It is in ascending order, yeah. Okay. And then for results and user results, assert EQ, result dot when, oh, it's days back, equals, and this is going to be, oh, I suppose I could zip the list. I already have iter tools. It's kind of annoying me. It's not like perfectly centered. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Back to what I was doing. I already have zip lists installed, or I have the iter tools installed. What I want to see is, how do I zip to lists? Because I forget how to do this. Documentation. Let expected days equals that's it. Here we go. Let me just see. What do I use for the about page? Source, info, info render. No, it wasn't there. Where do I zip? I do use this, okay. For this is results expected in izip and user results dot iter expected days dot iter. All right, expected. I think that's good. Oh, and I just need to import izip. Source, info, iter tools, izip. I want that to be above. There we go. Oh, actually, we just want it to be here. And then expected found float. One of these is a reference. It's not supposed to be. You? Oh, get back here. You? I guess it decided to make it an address. All right. Back up a little bit. And then I think if we do this, then I think we're probably all set. Any failures? We'd never fail. All right, all passed. Wow. First try. I think that's probably all we want to test. That's a pretty, everything else, this database, we can't really test that. I mean, we sort of can, if we like filter stuff out. Graphs render, day prettifier, it's a formatter. Data set? No. I think we're probably all set. Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna call it a day. I'm going to close this out. I'm gonna make a PR, and then I'll ask the folks who are interested in this to beta test, and if it's all set, then I'll push it through. And that finalizes our needing to make graphs. All set. Look at how amazing. Yeah, we got some graphs, all right. That's pretty cool. All right. So everyone around, thanks for tuning in. Later.